Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's 1:49 in the morning and I'm doing YouTube videos, but welcome back to my channel. My name is Anasha, aka Drippy Nails with a drip drip. Follow me on Instagram, duh. Anyways, we're gonna be doing some nail submission videos today, and that's what we're gonna be doing today. So if you're interested in seeing your work possibly here on my YouTube channel, stay tuned for this video. So today's video is sponsored by Madam Glam New York. They are a vegan-free, cruelty-free gel polish company. They recently sent me some more products to actually try out. So stay tuned to the end of this video, guys, where I show you guys these amazing colors they sent. And I also did some nail art with gel polish. So I know you guys want to see that. So stay tuned to the end of this video. Okay, so the first submission we have is from Jean Davis, and in the subject line, oh my goodness, this is not a nail tech. Okay, so we're not going to judge you too harshly on here because you're not a nail tech. If you don't have a license, you're not a nail tech. No, I'm just playing. Let me stop being shady. I'm very shady, but I'm calling a spade. You're not a nail tech if you don't have a license. Anyways, she says, I have a YouTube channel and I'm on Instagram, but I'm not a nail tech. I just have great love of nails. I noticed that you also love long nails. Please check out my YouTube channel, Jean Loves Long Nails. And if you like, please review. Thanks so much. Okay, so we're gonna look at her nails. Again, she's not a nail tech, so I'm not gonna judge her harshly. Yeah, so let's click and we're gonna see the first video. So wow, these are freaking long. Like, okay, so let's look at another video. Holy smokes, bro. These nails are ridiculously long. Are these sculpted? Are these tips? How suede? These are really nice. Pink and white. For you to not... Okay, so after looking at those two videos, thank you for submitting. Thank you. And for you to not be a nail tech, like, listen, I judge, I critique, I am very, I won't say I'm harsh when it comes to nail techs, but if someone tells me like they're a nail tech, like you took state board and everything, and I look at their work and stuff like that, like I am going to critique it a little bit more harshly because I'm going to be like, that right there could not have passed state board. Like, what is this? So when it comes to nail submissions, when someone tells me like they just started or they're in nail school or they're just doing it because they just really, really like nails, or like for instance in Jean's situation, like she submitted, she said she's not a nail tech, so I'm not going to judge her work too harshly because she's not providing this as a service to somebody else. This is for her, so this is her own personal satisfaction. She just likes to do nails. I can give her a couple of tips, but she just basically wanted me to look at her artwork on her nails. Her French pink and white is really nice. That second video that you showed me, like the first video that you showed, I was like, whoa, these nails are really long. But the second video, like, let me turn this down. This second video, like I thought my nails were long, like my fake nails were long. Those nails are ridiculous. Like I would never wear that length because what the can I do? Like that's definitely like claws, like natural length, like length, if that makes sense. Your work is really nice. I really like it. I want to know, I have a question. Please email me back or put it in the comment section. Sorry guys, it's freaking 2 o'clock. Is it 2 o'clock in the morning? It's 2:14 in the morning and I've had a little bit of Stella. Yes, I drink out the bottle. That is the Vegas in me. If you didn't know, I was raised in Vegas. But anyways, that's a whole nother story. But Jean, I just wanted to ask you, like, please comment or send me an email or something and tell me if you were using tips or if these are all sculpted. Because I know how long it takes to do a sculpt, and I sculpt. I don't like tips. I don't like tips on me personally. Me personally, I don't like tips. I'll put tips on my clients and I'll sculpt sometimes, but me personally, picking and choosing, I personally like to sculpt, especially with the length that I'm at. So I want to know, can you please let me know if you're using tips, if you're sculpting, what are you doing for this length? When it comes to your Frenchie, your apex is really nice. Are you sure you're not a nail tech? Because there's no way. Like, I even know nail techs that are self-taught and their work is horrible. Like, you don't even do nails. Let me stop being so mean. Me filming at 2 o'clock in the morning when I should be asleep and drinking, like, I am a little bit harsher. I'm glad I'm not doing anybody else's video tonight, but it's really good because, like I said, I've seen some self-taught nail techs and their work not look anything like this. I'm zooming in, like, today's video is sponsored by Madam Glam New York. They are a vegan-free, cruelty-free gel polish company. They have been sending me some gel polishes, guys, over the past couple of months, and you guys know how I feel about gel polish. I am a acrylic paint artist. I have been painting and drawing my entire life, and I have always hated gel polish as a licensed nail tech. I have never been a fan of gel polish, but one thing I will say about Madam Glam that I really do like about them is I'm able to still get a good coverage. As you can clearly see with this color, I get a very good coverage with just one application. With typical gels, you typically do need to have 1 to 2, well, typically 2 coats of the color for it to be very opaque. But one thing I have been noticing with Madam Glam gel colors, they're very pigmented. They're extremely pigmented, and you do not lose your shape is one thing I've really noticed with this brand that I absolutely am raving about. One thing I will say also about Madam Glam, again, I have been trying to use their gel polishes in my nail art, so you'll see at the end of this video I am using some of the colors from Madam Glam for this set. But one thing I will say is, like, I am still sticking with my acrylic paints for my nail art, but I am using some of Madam Glam's gel polish for some of my nail art. And I will say I do even like using their gel for nail art because it is so pigmented. Even their neon color was very pigmented, so definitely check out Madam Glam. I will definitely send their I will definitely put in the description box, excuse me, a link to their website to check out these brands. Again, guys, I am a stickler. I am picky about brands and products that I personally use. I tested them out. You wouldn't see this here on my YouTube channel if I did not approve of this brand. I really like Madam Glam. There are some products that they do sell as well.
They do sell alcohol inks, they do sell gel top coats and other things like that. But here's the final product of me using the Madame Glam gel polish on my client for nail art. So you still get some of the similar effects. It's very pigmented. I only had to go over the nails once with this gel, guys, to get this look. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.